Hello everyone, are you ready to create a hilarious and entertaining AI-generated cat dance video? Today I'll show you how to make one effortlessly using Runway Gene 2, a powerful and free AI video tool. Whether it's for fun, social media, or a creative project, this step-by-step guide will have you making your very own dancing cat video in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Sign up on Runway. First go to runwayml.com and sign up for a free account. Runway Gen 2 is a beginner-friendly AI video generator, so you won't need any prior experience to create amazing videos. Once you're logged in, head to the video generation section. Step 2. Prepare your concept. Before diving in, decide on the type of dance and setting for your cat. Is it a groovy disco theme or an elegant ballroom dance? Write down your ideas to feed into the AI tool. The more specific and creative your description, the better the results. Step 3. Use text to video feature. In Runway Gen 2, click on the text to video option. Enter a detailed description, such as a cute orange tabby cat wearing sunglasses, performing a break dance on a colorful stage with disco lights. The AI will take your input and generate an animation based on your imagination. Step 4. Customize the dance moves. Once the initial video is generated, you can refine it further. Use Runway's editing tools to tweak the movements or enhance the setting. Add more flair to the video by including props like hats or dance floors to make it even more fun. Step 5. Add music. No dance video is complete without music. Runway allows you to upload or choose background music to sync with your video. Pick something upbeat and energetic to match the vibe of your dancing cat. Step 6. Export your video. Once you're happy with the result, export the video in your preferred resolution. Runway offers free high-quality exports, making it perfect for sharing on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. And that's it. You've just created a fun, AI-generated dancing cat video with Runway Gene 2. The process is quick, creative, and completely free. Let your imagination run wild and try out different themes and moves. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more AI tips and tricks. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.